Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone volume panel just to mute your ringtones. Swipe this the volume panel to the left side to mute your ringtone. Also, you can do it by the second way. On the right side here of your device you get the volume buttons. Just press on one from the volume buttons, and here go into the three dots icon, and by the same way you can just mute your ringtone. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.